Hi, and welcome to Always Dolls. Here down under, it's officially winter, but our dolls want to rewind back to summer and cut loose with some fun water play. So today, we are crafting a version of American Girl's swimming pool. We love the AG design and calming Caribbean blue colours. We even upcycled an older Our Generation coat hanger. Make holes in the foam board, then gently wiggle in the chopstick. Secure with hot glue. After this, hot glue on the curved pieces of plastic hanger. The ladder is looking good, but let's finish off with a couple of coats of white paint. That's the pool done! Now the dolls have a place to gather for some cool pool fun. They can spend the day swimming, play games, hang out on a floaty, or just chill in the deck chair catching warm summer rays. Leave a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video and consider subscribing to Always Dolls for more miniature crafting fun.